In this tutorial, we're going to look at linking our RentHQ account through to our Xero account. Xero is an online accounting platform which contains bank transactions, and we might want to download those transactions into RentHQ. So to do that, we first of all have to link RentHQ through to Xero. Now this tutorial is going to assume you already have a Xero account set up. If you haven't got a Xero account, you can go to xero.com, that's Xero.com, and you can create an account there. So assuming you've got your Xero account set up, we now need to link it through to RentHQ. So we're going to go to Functions, we're going to choose Options, and then we're going to go to the Xero tab. And now we're going to click on the button to connect to Xero. This will open a new browser window in the Xero.com website where we enter in our Xero username and password. I'm just using a trial account at the moment. So it tells us that we want to link to this demo company, and if we're happy with that, then we just click Allow Access. And that tells me that the connection is made, and I now need to close that browser window, come back into RentHQ and click on this refresh button over here. So that tells me that RentHQ is connected to this company here. It then lists the bank accounts that are inside Xero, and I want to now link these bank accounts into the bank accounts inside RentHQ itself. So I'm going to say that this Xero bank account links to this RentHQ account, and this Xero account links to this RentHQ account. Now I don't have to link all the accounts, only the bank accounts I want to download transactions from. So I now save that, and that's the setup complete. Now if we want to start importing data from Xero, some bank transactions, we go to Transactions, we choose Import Statement. We choose the RentHQ bank account we would like to import transactions into. Because it's linked to Xero, it automatically selects this option down here, Import from Xero, and it also automatically selects the date that we last imported transactions from this bank account. But because this is the first time, I'm going to go back a few months. And then I'm going to say OK to start importing transactions from Xero into RentHQ. So that's now connected to Xero, and it's downloaded all these transactions for me. Now there's a separate tutorial which shows what to do next. There's a tutorial called Importing Statements, and I suggest you watch that tutorial, and that shows you how to classify these transactions and also how to set up your import rules.